In this video, we are going to learn basic greetings in English so that you can begin to communicate with others. Let's get started. And remember to repeat after me. I'll say each phrase or word 2 times. Greetings. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Greetings, the question. More formal are 2 options. How are you? How are you? How are you doing? How are you doing? We have a few less formal options. How's life? How's life? All well? All well? What's new? What's new? What's up? What's up? What's going on? What's going on? How's everything? How's everything? In step 3, we provide answers to these basic greeting questions. I'm fine. Or, all fine. I'm fine. All fine. I'm good. All good. I'm good. All good. Americans might say, I'm great. I'm great. I'm okay. I'm okay. Now, let's go over basic questions and answers to these. What is your name? What is your name? My name is. My name is. Where are you from? Where are you from? Or, where do you live? Where do you live? I'm from. I'm from. Next question. What do you do? What do you do? This means, what is your job? But we don't ask that question in English. Instead, we ask, what do you do? Or, slightly more advanced, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? I work as an accountant. I work as an accountant. Or, I work in a restaurant. I work in a restaurant. Now let's practice our farewells. These end the initial greeting or conversation that we have with our new friend or acquaintance. Goodbye. Goodbye. Good night. If it's very late at night, good night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good to see you. Good to see you. Take care. Take care. Or, take care of yourself. We have a few more. See you. Or, see you soon. Or, see you later. These all basically mean the same thing. And in the UK, informally, they might say, cheers. Cheers. Let's practice a real-life dialogue using these phrases. Hello. Hi. What is your name? My name is Chris. And what is your name? My name is Julia. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Argentina. Where are you from? I'm from Malaysia. And what do you do there? I'm a teacher. And you? I work in a bank. I see. Well, I must go now. It was nice to meet you. Yes, me too. See you later. See you. If you missed our previous videos on the alphabet or the sounds of English, click the links above or find them in the caption below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and tell your friends who want to learn English. See you next week when I discuss present simple tense. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.